yesterday I installed the Apple CarPlay, Sony Apple CarPlay Android radio in her car. It was hard, not hard, but it was difficult because the wiring was screwed up in this car. For some reason, the accessory wire would not turn it on, but it works when you put the original radio back in. So I had to install a toggle switch to actually turn her radio on and off. Because if I hooked it up to the battery line, and it always stayed on. Always stayed on. I know, I do. So it always stayed on, so I had to get a switch because it was hooked up to the battery. Look at me turn it up in this beast. Yeah, keep your hands on the wheel, girl.
Can I roll over this Coke bottle?
I don't care.
I just did.
When you get a flat or whatever.
Oh, why are you just recording people?
You know, man, it's a Coke bottle, it's aluminum. Look at Dylan. He got the GOAT shirt that I got him. You heard me? He's the GOAT. Greatest of all time. Ah.
Turn it up. I don't want to hear you, bro. I don't want to hear you.
Yeah, well, hear me. How you gonna hear when I tell you instructions on what to do, huh? Just going on ticky-tocky. Ticky-tocky, ticky-tock-tock, tick-tick, whatever. Tick-tick, boom. Get your back up off the wall. That's how the dance goes. You don't know about that. Damn, Siri messing up the song.
That's what Leon's talking about.
South Clavin Avenue.
You gotta get over to our left lane.